Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to prepare a body scrub for yourself at the comfort of your home using all 100% natural ingredients. So if this is your first time, please click on the subscribe button below, turn on the notification bell if you haven't already. If you find this video interesting and useful, share with your friends and loved ones and give us a huge thumbs up if you like it. So this body scrub is going to give you a very radiant and beautiful skin, and not only a body scrub, you can also use it as a face mask. It's going to get rid of all the kinds of acne on your face, and it's going to get rid of any kind of dark spots on your face. So let's get started. Aloe vera gel. As you can see, this is a very fresh aloe vera, and aloe vera contains so many properties: antioxidant properties, antiseptic properties. It contains antibacterial and antifungal properties that's going to help fight any kind of disease or infection on your skin. It's going to give you a radiant and glowing skin. It's going to get rid of all the dead skin cells from your skin. Banana is going to help prevent any kind of infection. It's going to create a protective layer around your skin. It's going to give you a radiant and glowing skin. It's going to moisturize your skin. It is going to constantly moisturize your skin by locking down the moisture on your skin, not allowing it to escape completely. It's going to keep the oil balance of your skin, not too much oil and not too dry. It's going to give you a shiny and glowing skin. Irish potato. Irish potato is rich in vitamin C, which treats wrinkles and blemishes. It treats dark spots. It's going to help get rid of any kind of inflammation on your skin. It's going to help tone your skin because of its lightening properties. It's going to help get rid of all the dead skin cells from your skin, and it's going to help promote the health of your collagen. Tomato. Tomato is rich in vitamin K and A. Tomato has antioxidant properties which promotes the health of your skin. A very optional ingredient is sugar. Sugar is rich in so many nutrients and minerals. Sugar is very healthy and nutritious for the skin. It's going to exfoliate your skin, giving your pores, keeping your pores clean, getting rid of all the dirt from your pores, and it's going to help tighten your pores to prevent more infection from getting into your skin pores, thereby causing any kind of skin disease or irritation. So just go ahead, peel a banana. Into the mortar. Now I'll just chop it into small chunks so that I'll be able to match it. Banana also contains anti-aging properties, which is going to help reduce greatly the aging process of your skin. It also contains glowing properties that is going to help glow your skin and give you that radiant and younger look. If you have a blender, you can just toss this into your blender and blend it. Here guys, our banana is ready, so we'll turn this into our mixing bowl. The next thing we'll be doing now is to extract our aloe vera gel. We'll extract the gel like so. So here is our aloe vera gel. Just try to match it. So our aloe vera gel is ready. So we'll just turn this into our mixing bowl. Here is our mixing bowl. Just this quantity is okay. I'll be using just this. So we'll just grate the Irish potato into our mixing bowl. Add our optional ingredient, which is the sugar. We'll just add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now we'll mix all our ingredients together to well combine. Our body scrub and face mask is ready. So you just apply this on your skin, you massage it into your pores, massage for 5 minutes, allow it to sit on you for 30 minutes so that your skin can absorb all the necessary vitamins and nutrients from this remedy. After it has sat on you for 30 minutes, you wash it off with warm water. Just go ahead and wash it off. You realize how soft and tender your skin is going to look when you're done, and you feel the tingling sensation from the Irish potato. You feel a fresher and younger skin. After patting dry, you just go ahead and apply your favorite moisturizer. You repeat this twice in a week for 2 to 3 weeks for an excellent result. So guys, do try this at home and drop your comments in the comment section below. Please click on the subscribe button if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when we upload new and interesting videos like this on this channel. If you like this video, give us a huge thumbs up, and if it was useful and interesting, share it with your friends and loved ones. Till my next video, I'll see you all very soon.